or at least something similar. And then that will record all your screen. So right now I'm recording my screen, and I can write down some other important properties in here. For example, I can say that the zeta of S has a pole, or even better, it's a simple pole at S equals 1. And that's the only pole, so we can do a meromorphic continuation. So we can meromorphically, it's a nice word, right? Meromorphically continue the function to the entire plane. Which is great. And this is the very basic note, but I can do some pictures in here, say that this is the simple pole S equals 1, that we have our region of convergence to be this. And then that we can extend this past the line real part of S equals 1. So this is a very simple way to create videos.